In this video, we will explain how to measure and order for a reveal fit. Start by measuring the width inside the reveal. Do this 3 times at the top, middle and bottom of your window, and record the smallest width to the millimetre. Now do the same for the height of the reveal and record the smallest height of the 3 measurements. Ensure that you use the hard measurements that you have taken and do not make any deductions. If you need further assistance, book a free video consultation with one of our product specialists.